Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit and save your Windows host file, this one. Before we do that, before we begin, make sure to back up this file. You can copy paste it somewhere else, or you can create a system restore point. So after backing up your Windows, first we need to find and locate this file. To do that, go to the drive where you installed your Windows. By the way, I am using Windows 10. So this is the Windows drive. From here, go to Windows, then scroll down and find System 32 folder. Now locate drivers, and from here select etc. There you are. That's our host file. Now we need to edit this file and save it. In normal way you can't save the changes because you get system protection error. So to edit and save this file, we need to follow some special procedure. For that, we need to open our notepad with admin privilege. Just in the search, type notepad and right click and select run as administrator. Without running notepad in admin, you can't save the changes. So we need to make sure we are running notepad with administrator privilege. So after opening notepad with admin privilege, select file and choose open. Now from here we need to relocate our host file as I shown earlier. Windows, system 32. Now drivers etc, and we can't see the host file yet. To view the host file, we need to change the extension to all file. There it is. Now click on the host file, it will open. Now we can write anything or edit anything, add anything, delete anything, do whatever you need now, and after that you can change. After that you can save your host file. So that's it. That's all you need to do to edit your Windows host file. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.